Hello there. Welcome to another SolidWorks lesson in SolidWorks Made Easy with Ryan. Our next lesson is about how to make a spring in SolidWorks. This is an easy one. Create a circular sketch on top plane with 10 mm diameter. Click Insert, Curve, and then Helix, Spiral to create a helix. Click Front View and sketch a circle. Click Feature, and then click Sweep Boss, Base. Congratulations! We are done with our lesson. Help us create more SolidWorks tutorial video by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Click here to subscribe.